This here's my garage. This is a 506 video garage, or 506 garage. So basically, my channel, I guess you'd call it, is just myself, a few buddies. This is my my 2014 Sierra all-terrain. This is my garage, and in one of the other videos you'll see that I just installed these new LEDs. They work great. A lot brighter in here. A lot nicer for working. That's what this scissor lift is for. It's not mine. It's just a rental. So anyways, a little bit about what I plan on doing here with this channel. I got a couple cars. These are my own personal vehicles. This is my 2009 G8 GT. Cam, DOD delete, solo back, exhaust, pace setter headers, as you can see, little Lieutenant cam. I bought all that stuff. I got a great deal. Adam Cooper out of the States. Wasn't too difficult. Unfortunately, I did that before I decided to start making videos. This old girl here is my 2000 Acura Integra. As you can see, it's kind of shoved in this back corner and has nothing under the hood. So this was the first car I ever purchased when I was 16. After that, I built it. Transmission's laying there. So just basically what my channel, what I want to do with it is go over some like tools that I buy, do a little bit of reviews, kind of go through how I organize the toolbox, and then a couple simple projects like my game plan for this bad boy is I had a Camaro, 2011 Camaro rear cradle here. So one of my soon-to-be projects is to swap this into it. So I'll paint it, clean it up, obviously. Pull the old cradle out of this and put the Camaro upgraded cradle and the diff. So this is out of a standard. The 342s in it. So should be a little bit of an upgrade for getting out of the hole, as well as obviously bigger axles and knuckles and all that good stuff. And it's also got a few less kilometers on it. It needs to be cleaned up because it's been sitting. But then over here is the heart for the Integra. That needs to go back together. As you can see, it's not in the car. So I bought a twin disc for that because last time I was at the track, I took the transmission out of it. I think I took second or third gear out of it anyway. So I got the transmission rebuilt. It's sitting over there beside the sandblasting cabinet. And yeah, so put a twin disc on this. I might change the head gasket before I put it in the car, just where it's going to be on an engine stand. It's a little easier to work on. Obviously put the transmission back, bolt it up, and drop back in the car. Also going to put a new traction bar setup on the car, something pretty simple. Go over the car just for anything else that needs to be done, as it's been sitting in here for 8 or 9 months. Just make sure it's ready to hit the track for the summer. So those are kind of a couple things I plan on doing. So if you do like the like what you think you're gonna see, I guess, because I don't have a whole lot of content yet. I got a few videos I've recorded, just haven't actually haven't posted yet. I put this GXP rear diffuser on the car the other night. And I do have a light bar installation on my truck. That was my first video, so I'm hoping to get a little better at this as I go.